All right, everybody, let's get to the point of this video. Funnel Hacker Lab, the future and what's been going on. I'm sure you all want to know. And in this video, we'll be talking exactly what's going on. So currently, as you guys already know, we've been killing milestone after milestone. Matter of fact, let me pull up some of the milestones that we've been knocking right out of the freaking ball park, baby. All right, so already got the 300 different landing page templates. We already got a funnel cloner tool. We already got all the design assets. We got the trainees. We got the paid advanced traffic training. We got the organic traffic training. All right. We made the roadmap, and we have the design on demand functionalities. All right. So moving forward, Blade, what do we still gotta do in order to make Funnel Hacker Lab as successful as possible, in order to make your funnels as successful as you can possibly friggin' make them, okay? Next thing that we have to be able to do is we're working currently on the funnel planner tool. And what I'm expecting is that the funnel planner tool should be able to be finished within the next 15 to 20 days. Wait, what is this funnel hacker tool? So if you guys don't already know, pretty much what we're gonna do in this funnel hacker tool is we'll be able to visualize the entire funnel process, okay? It's to be able to, we're creating a drag and drop little canvas, a little white canvas where you can take your funnel, where say you have a specific funnel in the funnel library, take that picture, you put it onto the funnel planner, or use one of our template little icons, and you're able to accurately oversee your entire funnel process. So I'm saying like a Facebook ad over here, then to your actual funnel, and goes over to your calendar page, to your thank you page, and that. So you're able to just oversee your entire funnel strategy, so you can dictate that to yourself and your team. You can make corrections and just overall show your team what you're thinking of. Because typically what I do is whenever I'm making a funnel, I'm always writing that stuff down. And when I take that stuff down, I write it down, it's hard to communicate my funnel strategy to my entire team. So what I want to be able to do, well, what we are doing, is creating drag and drop funnel builder, funnel builder planner, okay? And so this way you can dictate to everyone in your team exactly what your intentions are, just to make communication a lot easier. Cool. Once we actually have that, then the party's getting started, baby. Once you actually have that funnel planner tool laid out, next up from there is now we're going to want to be able to start tracking ads, okay? Because once we get to that level, once we actually start running some ads, we want to be able to accurately understand which ad is performing really well. So as you guys probably have seen from another video of mine, I always talk about offers, the importance of an offer. So let's say, for an example, right now when you're running ads, honestly, audiences and other things like that, other things that people teach in the course, that only is going to help you further optimize. Whereas the most important thing you need to have is like the offer. So the reason why I'm adding this ad, excuse me, I'm a little sick right now. The reason why I'm having this ad tracking, this ad attribution, is so that we'll be able to test out, like, let's say, for example, 3 different offers. Now, offer 1, offer 2, offer 3. And for this example, let's talk about credit repair. I love my credit repair. I love to do marketing for that. So credit repair is the fastest. Could be one type of ad over here. The other one could be like, we guarantee our credit repair services. Another one. Another one could be like rated #1 in the entire country for credit repair company. Okay, 3 examples of 3 different offers that we could be using for ads. All right, cool. Now, let's say that this first one has a click-through rate of 5%. Let's say this one has a click-through rate 10%. Let's say this has a click-through rate 20%. Cool. Let's say that this one is the cheapest. Let's say this one's maybe 20 cents per click. This one's like 10 cents per click. This one's 30 cents per click. Those numbers don't really matter. What really matters is which one of these offers actually provide you with the results. Because let's say that one of these are cheaper. Let's say offer 1 is 20 cents. Offer 2 is, this is 10 cents, 20 cents, 30 cents. Just keep it simple, all right? But let's say offer 1 is not converting at all. So the quality of people that are coming into your funnel are not converting, but it's the cheapest. Let's say offer number 2, it's kind of converting, but offer number 3 is the most expensive, least click-through rate, but that's the one that's actually converting. Wait, what do I do? Well, first you need to realize that offer number 3 is the one that's converting, and the ad attribution will allow you to actually realize that offer 3 is the one that's actually making it through the funnel. And by being able to have the funnel planner tool, we're able to specifically see that offer 3, ad 3, is going through that funnel, and we'll be able to visualize. By utilizing the funnel planner tool, you'll be able to visualize that offer number 3 is going through the entire funnel. So now what we know is that offer 1, 2, these give us very low I'm not fucking you guys off. All right, the offer 1 and 2 are giving us low quality people, but offer 3 is the one that's actually converting. So I'm gonna take these down off, and I'm gonna start working on optimizing offer 3. Cool. Now we have the right offer. Now, the second thing they want to do is you want to lower that ad cost. You want to lower the ad cost to increase the results. So what we want to do, excuse me, is just want to make optimizations. And the best way to make optimizations is in the ad, but that just comes down to split testing and understanding your ad attribution and seeing and understanding which ad is performing better. It comes with the ad tracking. But to take it one step further, we also want to optimize the actual funnel. And there's no better way of optimizing the funnel than actually figuring out specifically where in the funnel you are getting friction from. So now this is where phase kind of like 3, I think we have it as 3 or 4, something like that. And that's the heat map. So in addition to that, we're gonna be able to, we're already gonna have the pixel on there, but with this heat map, it's going to allow you to actually understand where specifically on your page is giving you the most drop-off rate. So let's say you're scrolling through this page. Let's say you got your header over here, you got your hero stuff that explains your video, explains your stuff, you got a video over here, testimonials over here, blah, blah. Let's say specifically, and at one point, like the video over here, maybe people watch this video, but they're dropping off after like 10 seconds to watch the video. Well, obviously there's something in the video that's creating friction. Now, what the heat maps allow you to do is allow you to specifically say, hey, people on this specific page, on this specific part of the page, this is where people are dropping off. So now we understand that throughout this entire page, this is the specific part that we need to fix, okay? And now what's allow you to do is allow you to specifically optimize the part of the page that is giving the most friction. Pretty cool, right? So now gone are those days are just making just random landing page after landing page after landing page, split testing after split test after split test. Gone are those days. We don't need those days because now we can specifically target where in that page we need to actually fix, where specifically in that page is creating the most friction. So guys, that's the future of Funnel Hacker Lab. Obviously, after that, we have some major plans. Like I want to get into crypto. We want to get the Funnel Hacker Lab into crypto and into the metaverse and things like that. But I'll probably make another video that goes more into that once we get closer to there. What I'm saying is we got some plans, guys. And I'm so glad that you guys are sticking around and joining me on this journey to something really awesome, all right? I'm so glad you guys are here to witness the journey of Funnel Hacker Labs. The first software that actually allows you to create successful funnels without any headaches and knowing exactly what to do. That's the entire point of this, right? I understand that you might put out a funnel out there and maybe, I don't know, you're not gonna get it the first try. Yeah, that's perfect, that makes sense. But now with that software, we're actually able to create successful funnels by completely knowing exactly what we need to do and what we need to change. That's what Funnel Hacker Labs is. And I want to thank everybody for watching this video. Thank you guys for being on this journey. And I'll talk to everybody later. And as always, up there, guys, I'll see you at the top. Peace out, baby.